Welcome to MSafe, your secure, multi-signature, non-custodial digital assets management solution. To begin, visit our website at m-safe.io. Click Launch App on SUI Network to access the MSafe platform. Connect your SUI wallet or Phantom wallet to get started. Click Create Account to set up your new multi-signature account. Give your account a unique name and a short description to easily manage multiple accounts later on. Add the wallet addresses of your co-managers and specify the number of signatures required to execute a transaction. Your co-managers' wallet addresses add extra security for transaction approvals. Check the required boxes before creating an account. Make sure to review all the addresses to avoid potential complications. You cannot change the permission threshold or co-manager wallets once the account is created. Congratulations, your MSafe account is now ready. You can deposit funds, send and receive crypto, and interact with supported dApps. MSafe supports most major SUI DeFi dApps, including Cetus, Bluefin, Navi, Scallop, SuiLend, AlphaFi, and more. For more information, visit m-safe.io. Secure your digital assets with MSafe today.